How's it going, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you my under $30 overhead camera setup. So I wanted to spice up videos a little bit more with more camera angles. The only way for me to do that before is to film once with my camera and then film the little B-roll stuff. And so that gets a little bit difficult, timing that with audio and such. I do see that there's plenty of people on YouTube that have overhead camera setups that make it a lot easier. So right now I currently have an overhead camera set up. And I did that for under $30. It's actually not too bad. I will say this do well for a point and shoot camera or your cell phone. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and cut in some B-roll from the above video for the second camera. And so I'm going to show you the box of the Ring Pro 2. So as you can see here, as I open the box, you can see that I can talk about the item. I can even point things out. And you can see it more concise and clearly than, say, if I was doing it on the video. It makes it a lot easier and nicer. But let me show you what the actual setup looks like. So as you can see here, my setup is, it's an Amazon Basics microphone stand. I think it's about, I would have to say, 5 foot tall stand. And then it's got a boom arm that comes with it. And then I also bought I think it's OnStage Mics sells this, and it's an adapter that goes onto the microphone stand. That way you can mount your camera to it. So right now I have a G7X Mark II that mounts to it. And then you can also mount, say, your cell phone if you wanted to. I will say that if you get any more heavier camera, you might want to put some weight, consider putting some weight on the back here so that way it doesn't fall forward. But showing how sturdy it is now, it's not too bad. If someone were to bump it, it'd probably move a lot and then possibly even topple over. So I would probably put some weights of some sort, maybe a bag with a little more weight in it and hold it here so that way it holds up steady. So I purchased the Amazon Basics microphone stand for 18 bucks, and then the OnStage camera adapter that goes onto the microphone stand and screws right on was, I think, $8, $9. So you're coming in just under $30, about $26, $27. I'll go ahead and link those products in the description for you to easily click on. If you have any questions about the setup, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them for you. If you're new here, consider subscribing and then click the bell so you can be the first to be notified about the new videos to come out. Until next time, see you later.